东人服饰冉冉家制衣厂、立厂制衣、蒲苑洋溢羊毛衫服装厂、法兰雅迪、新如服饰、红河好裁缝制衣厂、飞记服饰的关注和支持，欢迎你们！感谢新华社、人民网、经济日报、浙江日报、浙江卫视、经济广播、第一财经、证券日报、上海证券报、浙江在线、证券时报、钱江晚报、潮新闻、都市快报、泰州日报、泰州广播电视总台、中国服装协会、中国纺织网、凤凰新闻、中国缝制机械协会、全国缝制设备工业信息中心、纺织制衣市场快讯、赛尔风标、服装帮和多位首席品鉴官的莅临和支持，欢迎你们！感谢冯咖传媒、北大严歌、童装说、谢龙聊服装、周杰说服装、制衣小能手、康二妹、李火火、阿迪的莅临和支持，欢迎你们！
从1790年，英国诞生世界上第一台缝纫机，到如今，中国引领智能缝制发展方向，技术的每一次蜕变，都源自人类不息的探索。1995年，我们迈出探索的第一步，在艰苦奋斗的风雨历程中，缔造出全球服装智能制造装备行业产销规模最大、综合实力最强的全球化上市企业之一，成为集 PDM、APS、Mass、WMS 人工智能融合一体的智能制以及智能仓储、智能裁剪、AI 排产吊挂、智能缝纫、智能分拣、数字化成品仓储等软硬件一体的智能化为服务，构建了鞋业、箱包、皮革。
各位来宾，离我们发布会的正式开始还有5分钟时间。
minutes。
一周，中国设备制造课缝制设备智慧工厂，推动1000亿级智能缝制产业集群的建设，探索智能缝制设备制造流程的智能化方案，围绕产品设计主线和订单交付主线，以 AI 赋能制造，运用 CRM、DMS、PRM、ERP、SRM、MES 等系统，构建了企业全场景数字化平台。我们在创新领域持续投资，每年将7%以上的销售收入投入研究与开发，组建了业内一流的1000人研发团队，拥有院士工作站、博士后工作站等行业专利持有，遥遥领先。公司先后收购了德国奔马和拓卡公司、意大利麦卡和威的意大利、北京行业标准，先后获得了制造业单企业、国家技术创新、国家知识产权示范企业。
下我们的发布会开始还有3分钟时间，请大家尽快入座。
国家重点
Ladies and gentlemen, the conference was seated. Thank you for your cooperation.
全国科技创新500强企业人工互联网平台、浙江省未来工厂等荣誉。我们以成套智联解决方案赋能服装产业数字化转型，以星链云联解决方案为分布式生产提质增效。服装工厂打造小单快板、柔性质交付平台，助力振兴和 和全球产业链共同实。软硬件与人工智能的深度整合，为人形机器人精确模仿可能走向少人赋能。2018 9月，时任总理李克强亲临捷克考察。捷克要以技术进步塑造竞争新优势，以创新和品质升级打造行业冠军。希望捷克打造一艘航空科技成套智联，让制无限可能。
设备构建数字化
令我们入座。
每一帧每一
Thank you for your call.
尊敬的杨晓晶理事长，
Dear Chairman Yang Xiaojing,
现场各位服装业的朋友们、媒体朋友们、经销商伙伴们，
ladies and gentlemen of the clothing industry, media friends, and distributor partners on site,
线上正在观看直播的全球的朋友们，
friends around the world watching the live broadcast online.
大家下午好。我是今天的主持人，捷克科技秦基峰。
各位好，我是来自浙江电视台的双语主持人胡杰。Hello everyone, I'm the bilingual host Hu Jie from Zhejiang Media Group. And today, I'm extremely excited and honored together with all the guests in the picturesque city of Hangzhou to attend this extraordinary press conference.
相信在座的很多家人在前2年都关注过，甚至参加过捷克快跑王一代和过梗王的发布会，深切感受过捷克超级爆品的魅力。今天我们有幸相聚在杭州，聊捷克科技对大家在百忙之中参加快反过梗、谁敢称王、快跑王2全球首发盛典表示热烈的欢迎。
Today, to embark on a new journey with all of you to be the king of crossing and welcome everyone to our event.
下面，请允许我介绍本次会议的主要嘉宾：中国缝制机械协会理事长杨晓晶。杨理事长因为飞机延误，他等一下会来到现场和大家见面。上海市缝纫机研究所所长徐明华，同时我们也欢迎来自于广东、江苏、福建、河南、安徽、 山东、上海、河北、安徽、湖北等地方服装的到来，欢迎你们！
Thank you for all the leaders and local government associations for joining. Welcome to everyone.
本次发布会，我们也很荣幸现场邀请到新华社、人民网、经济日报、证券日报、上海证券报、证券时报、浙江日报、浙江电视台、杭州日报、潮新闻、浙江在线、台州电视台、望潮客户端、椒江发布等媒体。同时，现场邀请到全缝信息中心、服装帮、赛尔传媒、纺织制衣、市场快讯等行业媒体，以及一批缝制行业的 KOL， 欢迎你们的到来。
Thank you to all our friends from media and for your welcome to everyone.
本次发布会，我们也邀请了全球30多个国家和全国30个省份的客户来到了现场，同时我们邀请了杭州本地1000多家服装企业的老板和老板娘们来到了现场，同时也欢迎你们。
Thank you to all our global customers for your participation. Thank you, everyone.
当然，本次发布会我们现场也邀请到来自于巴西、俄罗斯、印度、孟加拉、越南、乌兹别克等国家，以及来自于国内广东、江苏、福建、河南、山东、上海、河北、安徽、湖北等全国的经销商家人们，也欢迎你们回来。
Thank you to all our distributed family members for coming together. A warm welcome to everyone.
此外，今天的发布会，我们将通过多个直播平台，同时面向全球170多个国家500万观众同步现场直播。我们线上的朋友们，大家下午好。
Hello, everyone. Hi. Welcome to China, Hangzhou, to attend our press conference.
快反过梗，水称王2全发盛典正式开始。
Now, I officially announce the grand global launch of AMH2 has begun.
下面由我介绍一下本次发布会的主要流程。
To begin with, let's go over today's conference agenda.
大会第一项，捷克科技创始人、董事长阮吉祥做主题演讲。
Item 1, speech by Mr. Jack, founder and chairman of Jack Technology.
第二项，快反王2全球首发。
Item 2, global launch of AMH2.
第三项 ，M9-A 不断线模板机全球首发。
Item 3, launch of the M9A anti-thread breakage template machine.
第四项，大客户战略签约仪式。
Item 4, strategic signing ceremony with key clients.
第五项，中国缝制机械协会理事长杨小晶致辞。
Item 5, speech by Mr. Yang Xiaojing, chairman of the China Sewing Machinery Association.
第六项，挑战赛体验以及媒体的专访。
Item 6, challenge experience and media interviews.
最后是我们的晚宴环节。
And finally, we will conclude with the dinner banquet.
各位朋友，快反王1代在服装行业已经取得了非常好的成绩。那捷克为什么还要精益求精，依旧向行业的难题发起冲锋？快反王2将如何解决小单快反升级的难题？今天我们将给到你答案，敬请期待。
In a contest of increasingly fierce global competition in technology, what equipment can solve the challenge of small orders and quick reorders? Solve the upgrade challenge, start a smart sewing new era, and today we will provide you with the answers.
下面开始大会第一项，让我们请出捷克科技创始人、董事长阮吉祥为我们讲述快反王的崛起以及快反王2肩负的必然使命。
Now, please welcome Mr. Jack.
有请阮董。
Now, let's give our warmest welcome to Mr. Jack.
of crossing. We are back again. Distinguished leaders, esteemed guests from home and abroad, media friends, and our global online audience. Good afternoon. I'm Jack Ron from Jack Technology. It's June 16 again, and we're back. A warm welcome to everyone joining us today for the global launch of AMH2 under the theme to be the king of crossing. On behalf of Jack Technology, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to all leaders, guests, and members of the media for your presence and continued support. In recent years, we have closely observed a major transformation in the garment industry. Over 90% of production orders in small and medium-sized factories are now small and quick orders. Even in large-scale factories, over 50% of orders fall into this same category. In total, that means that more than 80% of the industry has shifted toward small and quick order production. Exactly 2 years ago, on June 16th, we pioneered the world's first AI lock stitch machine, built specially for small and quick orders, AMH. The innovation has two core technologies, the Octopus AI chip and the Vigorous 8 motor, which together power the AMH adaptive system. So thanks to this system, AMH can handle thick, thin, and elastic fabrics without constant manual adjustment. So it truly delivered the idea of unlock the potential of all fabrics, marked the rise of a new generation of sewing machines, and made for the world of small and quick order production. Today, we take another step forward. With the official launch of AMH2, Jack Technology is once again setting a new benchmark, leading the industry into a smarter, faster, and more adaptable future. So, over the past 2 years, AMH has received widespread acclaim across more than 170 countries and regions. Yes, even created a new phenomenon. Operators are requesting AMH by name. And according to research conducted by a global research agency, AMH boosts production efficiency by over 10%. And customers who use it, the purchase rate is 100%. So because an AMH machine is more efficient for operators, helping them work with greater ease and satisfaction. So the birth of AMH solve a key challenge, enabling sewing machines to adapt to the demands of small and quick orders, greatly improve both the quality and efficiency of fast response garment production, and also accelerating the industry's shift towards small and quick order models. So the birth of AMH marked a turning point for the entire sewing equipment industry. It not only overcame long-standing technical barriers, but also represented a solid step forward toward intelligent sewing, driving the industry toward high-quality, future-ready development. Today, we proudly introduce AMH2 to the industry. You might be wondering, the original AMH was already so good. What new problems can AMH2 solve? The answer is in our deep, ongoing research into the evolving needs of the garment industry. As small and quick order production continues to develop, and as advanced fabrics and new manufacturing techniques become more prevalent, the demands placed on sewing machines have grown significantly. It's no longer just about adapting to different fabrics. Machines now need to handle combinations of advanced materials and processes, especially when it comes to backstitching and cross-stitching at sewing start point with technical fabrics. Even oil residue control is held to a much higher standard today. This evolution places higher demands not only on the machine's adaptability, but also on its algorithms, engineering design, and overall intelligence. AMH2 was created precisely to meet these new generation requirements of small and quick order production. It's a comprehensive upgrade built for the future of the industry. As technology reaches a certain bottleneck, every breakthrough becomes even harder to achieve. The road forward may be tough, but we remain committed and determined to pushing ahead. To rise to this challenge, we assembled a world-class R&D team of over 200 experts and engineers, spanning material science, mechanical design, electronic software, and also AI. We have also launched joint innovation initiatives with some of the world's top universities, including Stanford University, the University of Edinburgh, Tsinghua University, Zhejiang University, and Huazhong University of Science and Technology. Together, we're taking on the industry's toughest challenge head on, and our engineers firmly believe that anything is impossible. Let me share a short story with you. When we set out to solve the issue of needle breakage, skip stitches, and thread breakage during the crossing operations, we quickly realized the combination of technical fabrics and new processes made things far more complex. At the start of seam or during backstitching, the machine must avoid slippage. The needle must penetrate precisely at high speed without deviation. And all of this must happen without breaking the needle, skipping stitches, or breaking the thread. It was even more difficult than a professional ice skater performing a rapid spin and landing smoothly on ice. More than 100 customers, and we use 500 types of fabrics to invent this machine. In total, we went through more than 500 rounds of technical pathway modeling and ran over 6,000 physical experiments just to develop the presser foot that doesn't slip and could withstand the friction. They have conducted more than 1,000 formulation tests. Throughout this process, the team gave their all. They worked through weekends, holidays, and even Chinese New Year, often staying up until 2 or 3 in the morning, refining ideas through countless rounds of debate and trial and error. They also faced physical tests and physical risks. During one test, engineer Li Ziwei was hit on the nose by a broken needle. He quickly treated the injury and returned immediately to analyze what had caused the break at that very moment. After repeated failures and countless blows to their confidence, our team persevered. Through resilience and determination, they broke through this world-class technical barrier. This is the very problem AMH2 was built to resolve. And this breakthrough has once again enhanced the adaptability of AMH in the small and quick order segment and bring it to a new height. This is the result of over 700 days and nights of relentless effort and dedication from our engineers. is the result of their unshakable belief that anything is possible. It is the proof of our unwavering pursuit of progress and dreams. And above all, it represents the collective wisdom born from deep collaboration between our engineers, our customers, and our partners. At this moment, let's give the biggest round of applause to honor these people. Thank you, truly. Thank you all. Our shared vision is smart total pollutions, making everything for smart manufacturing in the garment industry possible. AMH is only a small step on the journey toward a bigger goal, unmanned production. In the future, sewing operators will no longer need to sew directly, but will guide robots to do so. Garment factories will achieve efficiency many times greater than today with zero defect quality. The entire sewing equipment industry will see a revolutionary transformation. This is a long and challenging journey, one that must be taken step by step. From AMH1 to AMH2 to AMHN, and eventually toward full intelligence, low labor, and unmanned production. As long as we're heading in the right direction, we're not afraid of how far the road may be. We firmly believe that the hardest road is the path to true victory. On the road to advancing small and quick orders, on the path toward intelligent low labor and unmanned manufacturing, we are fully committed to investing whatever it takes. As a leader in the industry, we embrace our mission to drive progress, and we'll keep moving forward, stopping at nothing until we reach our goal. We need our customers, our leaders, and our partners across this industry to join us. Let us walk side by side, hand in hand, to achieve a fully automated future for apparel manufacturing. Thank you all.
感谢阮总的精彩演讲，充满了激情，让我们也看到了捷克对创新、对智能化、少人化、无人化的执着追求。快反王2的诞生，正是对市场需求的深刻洞察和积极回应。
Thank you, Mr. Jack. Thank you for your wonderful demonstration.
让我们再次把掌声送给阮总。
Now let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you.
接下来就是我们今天的重头戏——快反王2的发布。让我们一起见证它是如何开启服装生产新篇章的。
Now, please welcome Jimmy Chiu, rotating CEO, to unveil the AMH2. Let's welcome Jimmy.
有请捷克科技轮值 CEO 邱总为我们做快反王2全球首发。有请邱总。
Respected Chairman Yang, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, dear friends, both new and old, joining us online, good afternoon. I'm Jimmy Cho from Jack Technology. Welcome to the beautiful city, Hangzhou, and to the Jack Global New Product Launch event with the theme, to be the king of crossing. We warning
customers from all over the world to Hangzhou and participated in this launch event. 相信大家对即将
I believe everybody is looking forward to the release of the second generation of AMH, which is Jack AMH2. So let us witness together the unique charm of the new generation AMH.
设备2年前的今天，第一
Two
代
years
海王发布，
since the launch,
就受到广大消费者的青睐，畅销
2 years ago,
100
the AMH first generation was launched and it has been deeply loved by customers all over the world.
台商和供应商。
So more and more apparel brands and suppliers are choosing the Jack AMH, including Nike, Adidas, Anta, Uniqlo, and more.
那大家
Can you guess how many units we have sold so far?
快宝王总共销售了多少台呢？有人说
Some say
40万。
600,000, others say 800,000.
那快宝王
Now,
总共销售多少？
I'm proudly to officially announce the latest sales number.
全球累计销售超过100万。
Over 1 million units. Over 1 million units were sold.
小单快版
For small and quick order production, the AMH is your number one choice.
都是当行业的共识。
Unlock the potential of all fabrics. It has been a superstar product in the global apparel industry
离不开我们在座所有
and widely known and deeply trusted.
在此
So this outstanding achievement it would not be possible without the strong support
上的
from Jack users around the world. So on behalf of Jack, I sincerely thank all our customers on the site, online, and worldwide.
随着服装
With the trend of fashion,
化的发展，
customization and personalization becoming more prominent, small and quick orders are now accounting for about 80%.
那不仅如此，
At the same time, fabric processes are becoming more and more complex,
生产工艺
in particularly
越复杂，
handling thick themes and bulky layers in complex garment processes pose great challenges.
质感
From thick theme and highly elastic extreme fabrics to sewing zippers and crossing hard seams in a crisscross pattern, production requirements continue to rise, being very difficult
代代法王
challenges, bringing very difficult challenges to small and quick order production.
谈这些变
So the first generation of AMH has already been able to solve
受到
the frequent changes between thick, thin, and elastic fabrics. However, we still face many challenges when it comes to the technical difficulty of handling the thick and hard seams.
新问题、新挑战。那现在
So let's watch a short VCR
来看看
to hear the feedback straight from the production factory.
我们做这个夹克上网的时候，这个领子就是拼缝的地方，又厚又硬的那个梗，打到针时候很容易断针断线。
Cuando cosemos chaquetas de cuero, sobre todo en la parte de la cremallera, queda muy gruesa y rígida. Las agujas se rompen con facilidad.
啊，我们现在做的这个白色的衣服，就是这个针杆上面这个油污啊，要是不及时清理的话，它都会染到这个衣服上面，就很难清理的。
这就是做牛仔裤的时候，经常跑不动，因为它牛仔裤比较厚，到了十字的时候它会断线。
我们这个机器就是起针的时候，这个梗很厚很厚，倒缝来回跑，容易断线断针。我们厂里面这批机器做硬的面料的时候，会出现断针和断线的情况，而且还会出现漏油的情况。每年我们花费在清理和维修上面的费用也比较大。好，
以上是我们服装生产
As shown in the video, the challenges faced by garment factories are very obvious.
那在视频里面，我们可以看到
Broken needles and thread breakages under various thick and hard seams conditions are some of the most difficult challenges to sewing operators. For example, when sewing zippers with reinforcement, needle breakage often occurs.
只能很小心翼翼的
And because of these needle breakage, operators have to slow down when handling these seams to reduce the risk, resulting in low production efficiency. At the same time, sewing over hard seams often lead to thread breakage. When stitching downward into a seam joint, skipped stitches are common. So they have a significant impact on production output quality
这些
and also delivery performance in the garment industry.
生产效率和品质，甚至交付来讲，都是带来了一些极大的影响。那我们深入的研究。
Through customer research, we identified the 3 most challenging scenarios in thick and hard seam process. First, nickel breakage during the hard seam reinforcement. Second, thread breakage when climbing the upward seam. Third, skip stitches when sewing the downward seam. According to the market data, the global garment industry consumes 5 billion sewing needles every year, with most of them lost because of the needle breakage issue. So you can see how needle breakage has affected our efficiency. So how do we solve these issues? So we use our R&D personnel went to the front line and used a high-speed camera capable of capturing 20,000 frames per second to record the machines at 4,000 RPM and analyze the forces. And here's what we found. Scenario 1. So if we realize the nickel breakage during the hard seam reinforcement because of insufficient backstitching force and lack of synchronization with penetration force cause the needle to break. And scenario 2 is a thread breakage when climbing the upper seam. Fabric feeding slips, thread bunches up, and thread will break. And the third scenario is the skip stitches when sewing the downward seam. The pressure foot loses proper contact with the fabric, causing stable loop formation and resulting in skip stitches. In complex, thick and hard seam scenarios, needle breakage, thread breakage, and skip stitches are extremely common. So the root of this problem comes from delayed response and lack of coordination between penetration and fabric feeding. This has a long-standing, unresolved challenge in the industry. So we also consulted the industry experts, including Mr. Xu Minghua, director of the Shanghai Sewing Machine Research Institute. Let's hear what he has to say. Please see the VCR.
我们在走访服装企业听取设备使用情况的过程中，除了需要满足小单快板、面辅料适应性强这些基本需求外，平缝机过后梗的线迹质量也是较为集中的一个问题。比如新式的拉链、后梗的缝制都比较容易产生跳线、断针这样的问题。从缝纫机的基础理论上来看，平缝机的锁式线迹形成主要是受准确的收放线量、合适的压脚压力，以及送布牙的送布力、机针的穿刺力这些因素的影响。面料厚薄发生明显变化时，这些参数也必须要进行适应性的调节，不然就容易发生断线、跳针甚至断针的问题。如何设计并生产出一款出厂设置就能适应各类面料、各类复杂工艺，并能完成面料后大跨度固整的平缝机，是我们缝制设备企业共同的挑战。
好，为了能够解决这些难题。
To tackle this long-standing industry challenge, we mobilized an R&D team of nearly 1,000 people. During this time, we cooperated with many major industry clients and also renowned universities to drive joint innovation and push the limits of technology. And we have won over 150. We won 158 patents.
好，这就是我们今天的主角。
This is our AMH2, the superstar for today.
大家觉得好不好看？
Is it good looking for you guys?
好看吗？好，捷克跨板王2日本白板复平机，它长相非常的出众。
Unlock the potential of all fabrics.
它专门解决了快板过梗场景下的新问题。
So this new AMH2 can solve the new problems, the standing problems in the garment industry. So now we'll witness a world record altogether on site. We're about to launch a world record challenge. What kind of challenge?
缝已经很难了，但是还要倒着缝，那就是难上加难，而且还要做到不断针、不断线，非常记录。
So we're going for the world's first continuous backstitching challenge on a sewing machine. Forward stitching is easy, but backstitching continuously will be a challenge.
进行了一场非常极限的考验。那到底能不能挑战成功呢？
So can we
让我们一起来共同见证一下。
make it a success for this challenge?
把目光聚焦舞台的两侧。
So please, both sides of the stage. 3, 2, 1.
好，大家看到我们舞台的两侧。
As you can see, our challenge setup is ready.
准备完毕。那接下来，
So now
我们请工作
I'll invite the staff
把我们
to bring the challenge fabric on stage.
中间，好不好？好，有请工作人员把我们今天的挑战单面料。
So please bring the fabric to the stage.
大家可以看到，
As you can see,
挑战这个面料是非常的极限，
this fabric
又重又厚。
is extreme and very challenging. Very heavy too.
上面还有带有不同的等位。
There are multiple seams on the fabric roll.
今天我们采用的是倒着缝，
So today we'll use the backstitching technique to challenge many different seams.
25公分。为了能够让我们台下的人员更加清晰的知道、感知到这个挑战面料的极限，我们有请设计。
So between every seam section is 25 centimeters.
我们看一下这面料
So please zoom in on the fabric.
顾盼，
So this belt loop seam
这个是一个拉链的。
and this zipper seam.
我们相对来讲每间隔
Every space seam is 25 centimeter
再往下，
between the seams.
我们十字印的
And there's a crisscross seam.
交叉了一点中间特别的力，
It's especially hard in the middle.
断针和断线，
It's easy to see thread and also needle breakage.
还有网纱的，有各种极端的面料。
We'll see some mesh material too.
有请工作人员将我们中间的面料
And the fabrics to both sides of the challenge booth.
或者倒缝是最容易出现故障，
Backstitching is where we see the most problems.
还有缝线、包括机器、操作人员，都是一个非常极限的挑战。
So for the machine, for the needles, and for the operators, it's a very huge challenge. So now we'll witness a world record all together. We have invited Mr. Ben Cruz from Forbes Association. So please welcome him to verify this world record challenge.
Yes. Right now you can introduce the challenging solution of the today. Yeah, please. 下面有请我们的本科特先生来宣布一下我们今天的挑战。
Let's welcome Ben Cruz, Mr. Ben Cruz from Forbes Association.
And I am the Forbes World Records Adjudicator.
大家下午好，我是福布斯世界纪录认证官本科特。
Now we will announce the World Record Challenge rules. Rule number 1. The machine used for this challenge must be a commercially available industrial lock stitch machine with a valid certificate of conformity. All other materials used during the challenge must be common, non-customized products.
下面我为大家宣布本次世界纪录的挑战规则。规则一：本次挑战所使用的机器为市面上销售的且带有合格证的 工业平缝机，其他挑战过程中所使用的物料均为常见产品。
Rule 2. During the challenge, the sewing machine must not run idle, skip stitches, stop, or experience thread breakage.
规则2，过程中平缝机不得出现空走、停机，不可出现跳情况。
Rule number 3. The entire stitching process must be carried out in reverse stitching mode, and the number of stitching positions must not be fewer than 3.
规则3，缝纫过程中必须全程保持倒缝状态，同时缝纫梗位不得少于3种。
Rule number 4. The total stitching length must be no less than 300 meters.
规则4，最终缝纫长度不得低于300米。
And final rule number 5. The rotational speed of the sewing machine used in this challenge must be no less than 2,000 revolutions per minute.
规则5，本次挑战过程中，缝纫机的转速不得低于2000转每分钟。
Okay, thank you, Mr. Bernkat. Please go this way. Yeah. 下面我们有请我们的2位认证官到我们的现场开始进行认证。今天我们
So today we're honored to welcome our adjudicator to verify this challenge.
有60公分，也就是
The perimeter of every fabric roll 60 centimeters. So the length in total is 1,000 meters.
让我们一起来见证一下快跑
So let's witness this world challenge and to see how AMH2, how long can AMH2 achieve.
完毕，向我示意。OK。
So on my word,
现场的观众们，我们一起来。
let's begin this challenge. Everyone together. 3, 2, 1, start.
好，挑战已经开始，让我们期待最终的这个。
The challenge has started, and let's wait and see the final result. Now, let's get back to our launch event.
大家可能会想，
You may ask,
这种极限的挑战，
can AMH2 handle such a tough challenge? What gives it the confidence to take on the world-level test?
我们的底气
Our confidence comes from the full upgrade of the AMH2 fabric adaptive system. Based on the previous generation, AMH2 has now become stronger than ever with the seam crossing ability. It has become the world's first system with full adaptability to both fabrics and seam positions. This truly solves the sewing problems caused by mixed fabrics and complex seams in small and quick order production scenarios. This powerful system, the fabric adaptability system, has 2 core technologies: the Octopus dual-core AI chip and the vigorous Ape dual-drive motor. Both have been upgraded from the previous generation for even better performance. The upgraded Octopus dual-core AI chip can quickly detect changes in thick, thin, and elastic fabrics. More importantly, with the next generation algorithms, it can instantly match the right sewing parameters for seam crossing, backstitching, and other scenarios in small and quick order garment productions. Simply put, one AI core acts like a brain that detects the fabric changes, while the other detects seam positions changes.
一个脑袋就是感知面的变化，第2个脑袋就是可以感知到梗位的变化。那
The dual-core AI chip has been trained on a massive sewing database built from 22 million machines covering different garment types and seam positions. So with the efforts of over 20 top industry PhDs and in collaboration with leading global research institutions, a new generation of smart government AI algorithms has been developed. It can perform up to 100,000 parallel computations per second, a 10-time boost in processing power. To put it simply, in the time it takes for a human pulse to beat once, the chip has already calculated 100,000 times. So this incredible speed fully supports the adaptive needs of all types of fabrics and seams. AMH2, the second core technology, is the dual drive motor. So building on the strong penetration force of the original vigorous A motor, it has become significantly upgraded. The dual drive motor features instant reinforcement for backstitching, powerful torque, and ultra-fast response, delivering exceptional strength. So the motor can deliver a peak torque of up to 11.3 Newton meter, with the response as acceleration improved by 4 times. This is equivalent to the power output of a Tesla. Moreover, its power density has increased by 22%, and the response time is shortened to just 0.01 milliseconds. Such powerful torque and fast response perfectly meet the demands of sewing scenarios like basket stitching and also seam crossing. And you may ask, how strong is the penetration force of AMH2? How thick is it able to handle? 2 years ago, AMH could easily penetrate 110 sheets of A4 paper. But have you seen? It's like the thickness of 7 coins. But have you seen the experiment of backstitching through 110 sheets of paper? I bet you have seen the track and field player running forward within 10 seconds for 100 meters. But have you seen anybody run backward within the time as well? So today, we will use AMH2 to show you that it can easily penetrate 110 sheets of paper while doing backstitching without breaking any needle. This also solves the common problem of needle breakage when backstitching over different seams in the garment production. So now let's see a VCR. Let's see how we do the backstitching continuously. From this video, you can clearly see that AMH2 easily penetrates 110 sheets of A4 paper while doing backstitching. Is it impressive? Impressive enough? Please give a round of applause. Our competitor's machine is priced over 6,800 yuan. It fails the challenge after just a few backstitches on 110 sheets. Breaking needles and causing malfunctions. So the backstitching penetration test not only shows the strong penetration power of AMH2, but also its precise fabric fitting force. Many of you probably watched last year's new product launch, where sewing machine pulled an airplane. So lots of people wonder if this year AMH2 will pull a tank, a rocket, or even cannon.
能够拉坦克，也能够拉火箭，甚至是拉大炮等这种开想。那今年我们到底拉？
So today, what do we pull this year? We pulled an airplane before.
我为大家分享了。
Earlier, I shared that AMH2 has upgraded the Octopus AI chip and also the vigorous as well. For a sewing machine, it's not just the power. It's more important to intelligently and accurately hold that power. Only that the complex demands of government production. So today, the AMH2 is here to challenge intelligence and computing power. So let's welcome AMH2. All the staff, please bring the AMH2 to the stage. So here, let's have a intelligence tug of war. Our AMH2 is ready. So who is challenging the AMH2 this year? I'm here to challenge. Who dares to be the king of crossing? I'm here to challenge. Wow, here comes another bossy CEO. Even more bossy than my CEO. So this robot has done marathon, played chess, did boxing professionally. I'm curious, what makes you... Come on, introduce yourself. Hello everyone, I'm Xiao. Smart intelligence and computing power, I'm #1 in the world. Xiaohei runs a big mouth for sure. Well, I have you challenge against my AMH2 in an intelligence tug of war to see whose brain power and also the computer power is stronger. So here's the rule. If AMH2 pulls you down, or if you don't cross the middle line, you will win, okay? Okay. Your AMH2 is sure to lose. Let's start right now. Ha ha ha. Let me ask AMH2 if it's ready. There's a smart robot here to challenge your brain power. Are you ready to take it on? Yes, man. A robot brave enough to challenge me hasn't been born yet. Looks like both sides cannot wait. Let's begin. Let's check if the tug of war is ready. So everybody get ready for the tug of war. So today, the robot will be doing the back pulling and the AMH2 will do the back stitching. So this is a 4-meter long area. So who will win this challenge? Are both ready? Yes, my AI computer power is ready. My computer power is even better than yours. Oh, two sides are on fire now. Everyone, let's witness the intelligence tug of war all together. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh, the robot is taking a small lead. AMH is a bit behind now. And now AMH is using its dual-core AI chip. Both sides are both struggling. So, if the robot started kicking, that means every kick is using a new smart tricks to pull harder. You see, the robot is keeping stepping and kicking. Guys, please give a round to our AMH2. So the robot keeps kicking. So now I officially announce that AMH2 has won the challenge. The red cross is over the middle line. So let me do an interview. After the tug of war, how do both sides feel? Hey, AMH2, how do you feel? Xiaohei, do you give up? No way, I don't give up. I'm going home and recharge my computing power. Wait for me, I'll battle next year. If you don't come back, we'll miss you. And Xiaohei, don't be discouraged. You did great already. Our AMH2 has perfect between the AI chip and the motor. That's why it can deliver precise fabric feeding power like no other in the world. So keep it up and see you again next time. So all the staff, please put the robot machine to the So we have seen how powerful the computing system is. Is it impressive? It shows how powerful the computing power is. So how does it work? How can it quickly adapt to different fabrics and seam changes? So it's because the dual-core AI chip detects the changes in fabrics and seams by monitoring real-time data from penetration and sewing. So it uses big data models to quickly calculate and output precisely from the machine settings. So these settings are then sent in time to the dual drive motor that will deliver accurate penetration force and the fabric feeding power for all kinds of thick seam situations. So even when it's doing back sewing on the upper and lower seams, it will work as smoothly as sewing forward. Now let's watch a show video to see how the dual-core AI chip and the dual drive motor work perfectly together. Let's see the video. After watching the video, you might be wondering, what does this have to do with me? What does it have to do with my production? So let's go back to the real production scene of AMH2. Think about it. For the first generation of AMH.
先列了一下，连续缝纫不断线。
It can continuously, non-stop sewing the thick, thin, and elastic material. So today, we prepared 2 pieces of fabric for an extreme seam crossing challenge. So guys, please, the staff, bring in the props. Please bring the machines and the props. So to ensure the fairness, we will invite one guest from the audience to be the judge. Which guest would like to be on stage and verify the challenge? The handsome guy, please come forward. My name is, I'm Mr. Song. I'm from Hangzhou. As a local. Mr. Song, today, this challenge has 2 fabrics. Every fabric has many different seams. It's a 1.5 meter long fabric, many seams on top. The first one is a buttonhole, it's a front button. It's very hard. So for this kind of front button, it's very easy to break the needle when doing back stitching. And this part is a very hard, iron-like seam. That's the leather part, a leather seam. Oh, that's a zipper seam. Also, it's very common to see a zipper seam. And now it's a crisscross seam. And now it's a belt loop seam. How many seams do you see on this fabric? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are about 10 kinds of seam. Oh, you will see elastic, mesh. So 2 fabrics are the same, have the same length, right? So zoom in, please. So which fabric would you like to choose for our AMH, and which one would you like to choose for our competing machine? So this one for our competing machine and the other one for our AMH2. So please zoom in the camera, please zoom in and see clearly. Let's start the challenge. Let's count down together. 3, 2, 1, start. You see, it's hard to cross the seams. The competing machine is having difficulty crossing the seam. Oh, now there's a thread breakage from our competitor machine. So as you can see, our competitor machine is not doing so well. And let's see how AMH2 is doing. Let's see how AMH2 performs. So let's start from the belt loop seam, okay? Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. As you can see, AMH2 is running very smoothly over different seams at one go. So we'll give this fabric to the audience and see. So this is the result from our AMH2. Dear guests, please verify the 2 fabrics. What is the difference? Oh, there's a huge difference. So the leather part has puckering.
距离再拉近一点，这有一个洗皱。
So the latter part has puckering. So the stitching length is not even. And there's a broken thread issue as well for the competing machine. This is our competitor's machine. Uneven stitches and broken threads. So I officially announce that we have won the challenge. Thank you for verifying for us. Please get back to your seat. After these experiments, it's clear that there's no adjustment needed for AMH2, and it can handle all kinds of extreme same positions easily. And now let's enjoy the fashion show designed by the Academy of Arts and Design, Tsinghua University, featuring garments made from various challenging fabrics and seam types, all sewn by the AMH2. Next, please enjoy the fashion show based on 3 elements: land, sea, and air.
他们穿的是不同面料。
You'll see 24 models dressed in different garments, having 3 elements: sea, land, and air.
好，那我们可以看到
You can see
台上的24位模特
the 24 models
身穿了海陆空
dressing in 3 elements,
像网纱、
like mesh,
布幔、
high silk, and real silk,
包括金属拉链、皮革
leather, metal,
各种。
showing different kinds of seam and fabrics.
接下来，我们各位模特，你们准备好了吗？好，准备好了。
Are you guys ready? All the models.
开始模特秀，让我们模特
Let's start this runway.
好，我想这场服装秀也让我们大家深切
So I believe this fashion show gave everyone a clear sense of how powerful and different AMH really is. Before the official launch, we spent over a year testing thousands of machines around the world.
接下来就让我们
Let's see what our real users have to say. Please watch the screen.
反王啊，好用。像我们常年做这个夹克衫厚的，有的是时代层的梗都能一踩而过，完全不用担心断针。遇到这种又弹又滑的面料，这个压脚特别好，一点都不起皱。
A nossa máquina de antiga sempre pulava os pontos de costura quando mudava o tecido de grosso para fino, tendo que refazer todo o processo. Mas com a MH2,
và không phải gọi thợ sửa chữa thay đổi khi thay đổi chất liệu ấy, sẽ không phải gọi thợ sửa chữa nhiều.
这台快反王定这个盘扣打到缝，来回跑，不断针不断线，而且很平稳。
新快反王吃后能力特别强，车工反应各方面过梗也不会断针，也不会漏油，特别是做牛仔起缝梗头，倒针很顺滑。
La nueva MH2 cose de maravilla la mezclilla. No más agujas rotas, no más problemas. A los empleados les encanta y los pedidos realmente salen mucho más rápido.
好，这是我们真实的用户的
So here, those are our real customers.
承认，使轻松的适应各种
So you can see AMH easily adapts to complex seam conditions and has greatly improved production efficiency. we have earned the praising from users everywhere. So not only does the AMH2 maintain its industry-leading adaptability to thin, thick, and elastic fabrics, but it also delivers outstanding performance under extreme sewing scenarios, such as top zippers, belt loops, and crisscross seams. So, compared to our competing machine, which is priced at 6,800 RMB, AMH2 reduces the needle breakage, thread breakage, and skipped stitches by over 95%. So it's a true king of sewing. So AMH2 doesn't just improve quality and capacity to help factories win more orders. It also reduces issues like skip stitches and thread breakage. More importantly, it doesn't need a lot of adjustment, which help attract skilled workers. So AMH2 brings more than 10% overall improvement compared to the competing machine. So if every sewing worker in China has 6,000 yuan of salary per month, so that's an extra 7,200 yuan profit for the boss every year. So with such powerful capabilities, how much would the AMH2 really cost? If we were to price it based on the cost, the significant upgrades in AMH2 will make it impossible to keep the same price as the first generation. So what is the price? What's the reasonable price for China? So after a long discussion, we have decided only 3,800 RMB. 3,800 RMB. Is it sincere enough? Is it a good price? So we further enhance the garment quality. And we have also included 2 major configuration upgrades and 1 exclusive bonus benefit, completely free benefit. The first upgrade is the oil-free head. No more oil stands for the factories. In partnership with leading global R&D institutions, we have solved the problems of oil leaks and oil pollution. This upgrade alone saves around 500 yuan per machine every year on oil removal detergent and labor. More importantly, it prevents serious quality issues like rejections from the buyers or failed inspections. So the second upgrade, the Kung Fu presser foot. So it has 2 core technologies. The first one is the aerospace grade material and embedded tech covered by 15 global patents. So it can last up to 180 days, far longer than the regular plastic presser foot, saving at least 40 yuan per year. On top of the benefits I just mentioned, 1 additional big free bonus to better serve the customer. To support the digital transformation, we'll give you the cloud MES system for free, and it should be 38,000 yuan per year. But now it's completely free. You should give us a round of applause. The MES cloud system is free for everyone. For the new machine user, with such powerful sewing performance and an abundance of upgraded configurations, AMH2 is priced at only 3,100 yuan. Do you think it's worth it? Is it a good deal? Is it unbeatable? Is it impressive?
我真心的问我们在场各位朋友们，
So let me ask you for real,
满意吗？
are you satisfied with the price?
哦，满意吗？真心满意吗？真心满意啊！啊，但我们的杰克决心用200%的真诚。
So we're giving you 200% more sincerity to our key account customers.
最终决定在中国的市场上面的价格。
So at the end, we're now setting the price to be 3,400. 3,400 yuan.
3,400元，你们能
To help the customer improve quality, increase profit, and break free from the intense competition. Only 3,400,000. Only 3,400 yuan.
我们作为一个行业的领导者，
As a leader in this industry, in the future, we'll use technology to prove
所以我们
that
继续将保持全球研发的第一的投入力度，让最新的科技普惠到更多的服装企业。今天快跑王2的发布，
so you have a machine with the highest value retention and the lowest real usage cost. As the industry leader, Jack will continue to empower customers through technology and repay them with sincerity. So the introduction of AMH2 has been ended, and the show is far from over. The World Record Challenge is just heating up. So let me give my microphone to the host. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you very much. Thank you for Jimmy for your excellent explanation and the brilliant demonstration. Thank you.
各位，相信通过邱总的解读以及现场的演示，大家已经能够清晰地了解到，拥有9脑装于双核 AR 芯片和大力源双擎电机的快反王2是如何实现日逢百款不停机的。
Yes, we thank very much for Jimmy's explanation so that we can know better about our machine and I hope that the machine can help us to be better in the industry.
我提议，我们再次把掌声送给邱总。
Well, let's give him a big round of applause. Thank you.
大家能看到，虽然邱总的发布已经结束了，但是我们的挑战还在继续。我们的福布斯的世界纪录认证官本科特和他的助手徐欣欣依然在挑战台为我们的快反王做公证。
As you can see, our challenge is still going on. Forbes World Records Certification Officer Ben Cooker and Xu Xingxing are still at the challenge station, providing official certification for AMH2.
现在，我们有请我们的工作人员把我们两侧的挑战房推到中间来，让大家可以更好的观摩。
Now, please welcome our staff to the stage to move the 2 challenger booths to the center.
大家可以看到，我们的快反王2就算在移动的过程当中，依然能够稳健的缝纫。那为什么我们的快反王2有如此强大的性能呢？当然是因为我们的快反王2所拥有的 AMH2自适应系统，两大核心技术再次升级，9脑章鱼 AR 芯片，智能感知，精准响应，轻松应对过梗。 大力源双擎电机拥有澎湃的扭力，峰值比上一次提升34%，瞬息加固。
Yes, our AMH2 is still sewing steadily, as you can see. So why AMH2 is so powerful, you may ask? Because our powerful AMH2 fabric adaptive system. Our 2 core technologies have been upgraded again. The Octopus dual-core AI chip delivers smart dedication and precise response, easily handling all kinds of seams and reverse stitching. Meanwhile, the mighty Ape dual-drive model provides strong torque, reaching a peak of 11.3 nm, a 34% improvement over the previous generation, instantly reinforcing the stitching. It's these technologies that made AMH2 perform so brilliantly in the challenge.
那我们经过这么长时间的倒缝，线迹如何呢？现在就有请我们的工作人员把我们的线迹拿下去，给大家进行欣赏。
Okay, how is the stitch quality? Let's have the staff hand the sewn fabric to the audience here on scene. Wow, it's a great moment.
各位家人，大家都知道，最近捷克围绕着道展开了一系列的活动，包括道跑隔壁、道跑接力赛、道缝挑战等等。那为什么我们要聚焦于道这个字呢？因为道代表着突破和重构，道代表着未来的新方向。正如我们的快跑王2，在道缝过程当中依然十分的稳定，解决了服装工厂里面面临的诸多的问题。道跑定义未来，道缝引领缝制行业。
So we all know that Jack has recently launched a series of activities around the reverse, such as reverse running in the Gobi Desert, reverse running relay race, reverse sewing challenge, etc. So why do we focus on reverse? Because reverse represents breakthroughs and reconstruction and foreshadows a new direction in the future. Just like our Jack's AMH2, it is still very stable during the reverse sewing process, solving many pain points faced by garment factories. Reverse running defines the future. Reverse sewing leads the sewing industry.
就在昨天，我们在海宁航派服饰产业园进行了一场盲测的活动。我们现场邀请了工业园内数百名的车工、老板来体验我们的机器。我们在体验的布料上增加了盘扣、铜片、库盼、十字浪、上拉链头、魔术贴等难缝的工艺，让我们的快跑王2在现场和友商价格在6800元的机器进行 PK。毫无疑问，我们的快跑王2也取得了压倒性的胜利。
Yes. Just yesterday, we held a blind test at the Haining Hangpai Garment Industrial Park. Hundreds of workers and the factory owners from the park came to try out the machines. The test fabric included difficult sewing challenges like frog buttons, metal plates, etc. Our AMH2 went head-to-head against a 6,800 yuan competitor and won overwhelmingly, no doubt about it.
我们各位现场的朋友非常的激动哈，每一个人都在抓着布料在看，但是因为时间的原因，我估计的话不能让大家一一看到。等一下的话，在结束的时候，我们也会把这个布料放起来，供大家去参观欣赏。各位，到目前为止，我们的挑战赛已经进行了43分钟的时间。我相信，只要我们不停止、不喊停，其实我们的挑战赛就会一直的进行下去。但是因为时间的原因，接下来我们不得不结束挑战了。
Due to time constraints, although our AMH2 still pushing the limits and challenge the world record, we have now bring the challenge to an end.
下面让我们共同倒数10个数，然后我们停止挑战。
Okay, let's count down 10 together, and when we reach 0, the team inside the challenge area will stop the challenge. Okay? Let's count down together.
10、
10,
9、
8, 7,
6、 5、
4, 3, 2, 1,
停。
stop.
下面有请我们的认证官和我们的工作人员一起快速的测量我们缝纫的米数，来核实我们的挑战成绩。时间交给我们的工作人员。
Now please have the staff assistant, our Forbes record official, in measuring the sewing meters, please.
我相信此时此刻，大家一定都非常好奇，我们的快跑王2究竟能够连续倒缝多少米？
I believe at this very moment, everyone here must be very curious about how many meters of continuous reverse stitching our AMH2 can reach.
大家都知道，常规的正缝挑战大家都是不足为奇的，而这一次的倒缝挑战则是难度升级，是对缝纫机算法、性能和稳定性的全方位考验。那为什么我们敢于在现场进行这种连续倒缝的公开挑战？这正是源于我们对快跑王2强大实力充满了信心。
The conventional forward stitching competition or challenge must be nothing new to everyone here. But this time, the reverse stitching challenge is more difficult and is a comprehensive test of the sewing machine's algorithm, performance, and stability. So the reason why we dare to conduct this open challenge of continuous reverse stitching on site is that we are full of confidence in the powerful strength of AMH2.
我们非常的荣幸，今天能够在杭州与在场的各位一同见证这一历史性的时刻，也让我们共同期待最终的倒缝的成绩。
So it's a great honor to witness this historic moment with everyone here, and let's look forward to announcement of the final results together.
OK， 现在请问我们两边的我们的见证官，我们的成绩是不是已经出来了？
So is the results out? Do you know the results now? Are you ready
Mr.
for
Picard.
announcing the results? They may need some time. 他们可能需要一些时间来继续进行计算。
OK， 我们稍等一下，我们看到啊，两位验证官的话正在我们的挑战房旁边核实最后的成绩。
是的，这是一次非常精准的计算哈，所以呢，现场的各位现在正好和我们一起来见证这样一个历史性的时刻。
像类似于这种挑战赛，接下来我们在全球各地都会开展。我们也希望在每个地方在开展挑战的时候，大家都能踊跃的参加。我们希望在每一个地方都能够创造新的世界纪录。
Yes, we hope these kind of challenges will continue in every corner of the world, and we hope that our technology will be upgraded through these challenges. Is it okay?
请问我们的验证官，现在我们最后的成绩是不是已经出来了？哦，看这边的话还要再重新进行测试是吧？那我们这边的缝纫成绩已经出来了吗？
这里的已经出来了。
哦，我到我们的现场先问一下啊，这一边是多少米？
好，我们共同来期待。
请大声的告诉我们，我们这一边挑战出的成绩是多少？
最高是338米。338米，大家用掌声来庆祝一下
338 meters.
38 meters.
我们的倒缝挑战，连续倒缝的挑战，我们。 在我的右手边挑战房这一台机器创造了连续338米不断线的一个世界纪录。那就等我们等待着我们左手边的这台挑战房里面的机器最终的成绩是多少
？OK, seems to be ready. 好，我们这里的成绩也已经出来了，我们来聆听一下。
307米，307米
，307米。
307 meters. Congratulations.
那现在最终的成绩就出来了，我们连续倒缝创造的新的世界纪录是338米，用掌声来庆祝这个338米。
Congratulations, the new world record.
下面，我们有请我们的世界纪录，我们的验证官本卡特先生和他的助手徐欣欣一起上台为我们来宣读成绩。 同时，有请我们的工作人员将我们的挑战房移到我们的舞台两侧。
Okay, now let's welcome Forbes World Record, Mr. Q and Xu Xinxin together be on the stage and announce the result. Ben Q and Xu Xinxin, please be on the stage.
Thank you, sir. First. OK， 各位，现在我们有请我们的验证官 Mr. Picard 为我们宣读我们的世界纪录。
Now we will announce the world record results and hand them the certificate. Today, on June 16, 2025, at this product launch event in Hangzhou, China, Jack Technology Co. Ltd. successfully demonstrated its AMH2 sewing machine, the model being A5E-B, executing 338 meters of continuous reverse stitching across multiple seam junctions.
2025年6月16日，捷克科技股份有限公司在中国杭州举办的全球新品发布会中，捷克快反王2以转速2800，在不同梗位的条件下不跳针、不断线、不停机，连续倒缝338米。
After verification by Forbes World Records certification, this challenge successfully set the world record for the longest reverse stitching across multiple seam junctions. Congratulations!
Thank you, very thank you.
经福布斯世界纪录认证现场审核确认，本次挑战成功创造了世界上多种梗位倒缝不断线最长世界纪录，恭喜！
感谢两位，我们把掌声也送给两位。
Thank you very much. Thank you for your announcement.
下面我们有请邱总上台接受我们福布斯世界纪录的证书，也有请本卡特先生为我们的邱总颁发证书。有请邱总。
Now please invite Mr. Jimmy to come on the stage to accept the Forbes World Record certificate, and please invite Ben Carter to present the certificate for us. Congratulations.
哇！我再次邀请大家用掌声来为我们一起庆祝这一刻。
Now let's give them a big round of applause. Congratulations.
两位可以的话再多拍一些合影哈。
Let's take a photo together and smile to the camera.
感谢两位，万分感谢，请两位台下就
Thank
坐。
you very much. Thank you. And please be seated. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very
much.
much. 各位，我们刚刚在这里一起见证了一项新的世界纪录的诞生。那今天借着这个喜气的时间，在趁着羽绒季来临之前，我们特地将我们的 M9 模板机更新换代，升级为我们 M9-A 不断线模板机。
So today we take this great opportunity of the global launch of AMH2 to upgrade the M9 anti-thread breakage template machine. Now please welcome Mr. Yan Wenjin, General Manager of Jack Technologies Global General Staff, to introduce the new version of M9.
下面有请捷克科技全球总参谋部总经理严文静为我们带来升级版 M9-A 不断线模板机。
Now let's welcome.
有请严总。
全球原创，一线到底。
World's original, no thread breakage. Welcome to the M9-A anti-thread breakage template machine global launch event. I'm Yan Wenjin. Thank you all again for coming here today. Before official launch, let's see M9 template machine again. In 2023, we partnered with Poseidon to debut the M9 template machine. With zero thread channel technology and 0-second synchronization technology, we have reduced the thread breakage rate greatly, delivering 131-day experience. The M9 quickly became the market leader. 10,000 units sold, and we have got two number ones. Number one in market rate, and number one in the customer reviews. 131 day now is deep in the mind of the customers. So we have created a world record, 480,000 continuous stitches without any breakage. M9 is the only template machine to pass this extreme test. Fork loading and unloading sewing, 45-degree tilted sewing, the spider web pattern. So it has always been the top choice for the customer. So recently, the customer has been using the fine quality needles and thick threads to solve the down linkage problem. But this method led to a significant increase in thread breakage frequency. To solve this, our R&D team conducted over 500 experiments, captured more than 300 high-speed test videos, and completed over 50 million stitches of testing.
进行了5000万次的测试，最终
So at last, we successfully overcame the issue of frequent thread breakage in the fine quality needle, thick thread scenarios, meaning we have solved a key point in the industry. So that's how the M9-A came out. So let's see a VCR to showcase the charm of the new generation template machine. Please see the video.
满机500里翻长不断线，出发。
So this is our new generation template machine, M9-A. It's the first template machine in the world to take on the highway sewing challenge. Completely 500 li, which is over 250 kilometers of continuous sewing without any single thread breakage from Taizhou to Hangzhou. Non-stop sewing using Type 7 needle, 120D3 thick thread for 4 hours, 400,000 stitches, no breaking threads and no skipping stitches. The M9-A solved the long-standing problem of frequent thread breakage in the needle, thick thread scenarios. So why is M9-A so powerful? Because we have used the spider thread control system with 2 core technologies: 0-degree channel, thread channel, and 0-second synchronization technology. So the entire thread channel uses zirconia ceramics thread channel, which offers the best wear resistance of all the thread channels. So thanks to the upgrade, the thread can run through the channel much smoother than ever, and the friction is reduced by more than 60% compared to our competitors' machines. So also we have upgraded our 0-second synchronization technology by building a highly accurate thread length model. We optimized the synchronization across 4 key components: thread picking, hook, fabric fitting, and presser foot. As a result, thread tension is build-up time is reduced by 15%. So we have upgraded 3 systems. In the small and quick order response production, we can achieve 0 thread breakage. And also we have increased the speed. The maximum speed is 3,800 RPM. That would be the maximum speed. To better showcase the power of our M9 machine, we'll show you this challenge. It's called air sewing, the Tai Chi pattern challenge. So we'll sew the warp and weft grid, and then we'll stitch the Tai Chi pattern on top of it. This pattern contains 30,000 stitches. So we'll tilt this machine to 45 degrees. Is it a top challenge or not? Now, let's see the miracle all together. Camera, please zoom in at the machine. So Tai Chi pattern is the hardest of all. Let's count down together. We'll start the challenge. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. As you can see, our machine is sewing a hollow template. Why Tai Chi patterns? Because the Tai Chi has round and sharp corners. So the standard is the round area has to be round enough and the sharp area has to be sharp enough. That is the extreme standards. If we can pass this challenge, then this machine is deserved a round of applause. You can even stitch to the air. How incredible! Please hand the template to our audience and check. Now, we'll take on an even more fascinating challenge. Just now, we were stitching on a hollow template. But now, we will trap and lock in the air. If a fabric can hold air without leaking, then that means when we are sewing the down jacket, the leakage problem will not appear. So now we'll use a number 7 needle with 120D 3 thread. And we'll stitch directly on a balloon. So guys, let me show you the balloon that we'll be using. So this is a very common balloon. And we'll break the balloon with a sting. So this is a very common balloon. Now, we'll use a brand new balloon. We'll cut one of the corners. So the staff has already cut one of the corners of the balloons.
我们的气球卡了一个大大的缺口。
And you can see now the balloon has a big gap, has a big leakage.
接下来有请工作人员把我们有缺口的气球进行粉润。
So now the staff will seal the corner of the balloon.
粉润之后，我们会给气球吹气。
At sewing, then we'll blow the balloon.
它们的气球呢，它们的气呢是氦气。如果
So we'll pump in
我们的
nitrogen.
阴液在
And if the balloon doesn't leak, that means it will float.
已经结束。工作人员给气球通气。
So we'll now inflate the balloon. So now we're inflating helium into the balloon.
大家可以看到，气球已经飘起来
And
了。
now you see the balloon is floating. So through this experiment, M9 machine, M9-A machine is able to sew on the balloon. And for down jackets, do you think it's still a problem?
谢谢大家。我们通过空肥态制图展现了 M9-A 不装卸的特性，
So through the Tai Chi patterns,
展现了 M9-A
we have shown you the
下面
no
我将展示 M9-A 第三个特性。
no thread breakage through the Tai Chi pattern, and through balloon we'll show you the no down leakage.
唯一可用品质达到 JIS 4级标准的。
And the M9-A machine is the only template machine in the industry that achieved JAS level 4 sewing precision.
因为
A regular machine can only reach level 2 or 3.
不能在现场一一给大家演示，但我们接受行业任何一家企业的挑战。
But today we cannot show you a live demo, but we are happily accepting the challenges from our competitors.
现场接证，在 M9
And if you want to experience the 3 experiments, we have an experience area. You can go see for yourself later.
让我们看一下生产现场的反馈，请看。
So let's see a VCR to see how the production feedback.
这款机器用7号针不漏绒不用现在换了新机器，也不断线，也不跑绒，速度还快。
这个机器用起来很好，面料很平整，瞬间也很好。
这台机器的速度很快，我开到3800，它也不断线。
我们工厂呢，总共400台模板机，前年更换了一批 M9-A 的设备，整体断线几率少，问题减少很多。现在我们用细针粗线的情况下，也是很稳定的。那我们还有50多台呢旧的设备，后续想更换 M9-A 的新款。
我们这条生产线有20多台模板机，都是 M9 的新款，特别是用的7号针，它的平整度和防韧效果都比以前好很多，没有返工问题。这条生产线的生产效率比别的组要高15%。
目前这批在做的主要是波司登的订单，他们对漏绒及平整度要求非常严格。我们上了几台 M9-A 的新款模板机，使用7号针缝纫，漏绒、平整度都非常符合他们的要求，这对我们接单有非常大的帮助。
好，这是用户对我们 M9-A 最真实的反馈。
These are the real feedback from our customers.
细针粗线不断线，弹缝不漏绒。
So the key word is fine needle, heavy thread, but no down leakage and no thread breakage. So the feedback has been amazing.
就会买我们 M9-A。下面我们再来回顾一下 M9-A 的。
And now let's see the charm of M9-A. So customers give very high praise to the M9-A machine. So what real value does it deliver? Let me break it down for you. So through lowering the rework rate and the efficiency higher, the M9-A boosts annual profits by over 10,000 yuan every year. So no puckering and no down leakage give us a huge value. So we're able to take on more premium garments order. So this unlocks more profitable orders with indirect benefits far exceeding direct gains. Our estimates show the total annual value exceeding 30,000 yuan per year. So what is the reasonable price for the machine? With its unmatched performance and proven annual earnings boost, what is the reasonable price for M9-A? To empower industry transformation and to give back to our customers, the price is, official price is 48,800. That is our official price. Is it powerful enough? Is the price sincere enough? So now we'll give even more, right now. So I would like to thank the people who joined this launch event. We're giving you guys 4 exclusive benefits if you order on site. Number 1, pay just 1,000 yuan deposit today and you can get triple benefits. So benefit 2 is order now and you can unlock the 1+1 super combo. Get the AMH2 machine for free. Number 3, you receive a 3,000 yuan worth of value fashion craft kit that includes instructional files, videos, and online coaching. Number 4, you have 1 year more warranty with no regional restrictions, but only order on site. So we have to choose today's product launch. M9 anti-thread breakers tempered machine. 1 threading, 1 day. Thank you all.
最好的模板机带回家。再次感谢严总。
Let's thank Mr. Yan again for the M9-A machine.
同步技术，
强强联合，共同打造出卓越的2.0版本零珠控线系统。
Zero thread channel technology with 0-second synchronization technology. We have
and optimizations. The M9A will be more outstanding in performance, more convenient in operation, and more flexible in adapting to the market.
我们再次把掌声送给严总。
So thank you very much.
下面进行的是捷克与大客户战略合作签约的环节。
Next, we'll proceed to the strategic partnership signing ceremony between Jack and our key clients.
我们首先有请山东千源服装股份有限公司总经理薛红新。
Mr. Xue Hongxin, General Manager of Shandong Tianyuan Garment Corporation Limited.
广东元一制造服饰科技有限公司副总经理曹志。
Mr. Cao Zhi, Deputy General Manager of Guangdong Yuanyi Intelligent Garment Technology Corporation Limited.
南京同德服装有限公司董事长齐亚华。
Mr. Qi Yahua, Chairman of Nanjing Tongde Garment Corporation Limited.
重庆上城服饰集团总裁助理苏武。
Mr. Su Wu, Assistant to the President of Chongqing Shangcheng Garment Group.
浙江智之服饰有限公司总经理卢俊忠。
Mr. Lu Junzhong, General Manager of Zhejiang Zhizhi Apparel.
苏州市拉伯尼服饰有限公司副总经理陈仁忠。
Mr. Chen Renzhong, Deputy General Manager of Suzhou Lapone Garment Corporation Limited.
浙江三元企业控股集团有限公司副总经理管荣。
Mr. Guan Rong, Deputy General Manager of Zhejiang Sanyuan Enterprise Holding Group Corporation Limited.
三联制衣有限公司董事长林永轩。
Mr. Lin Yongxuan, Chairman of Sanlian Garment Corporation Limited.
同时，我们也有请捷克科技全球战略大客户部总经理金履院上台共同签约。
And Mr. Victor Jing, General Manager of the Key Accounting Department at Jack Technology, come on stage to sign agreement together. Welcome.
有请各位。大家用掌声来有请各位。
Now, let's invite the leaders and guests be on the stage and have the signing ceremony.
我们各位的签约嘉宾可以按照我们的指示的位置找到对应的位置。OK， 下面大家可以正式的签约。
Now, please sign your signature.
有请各位在我们的平板上签下自己的名字，感谢各位。我想此刻大家可以用掌声共同帮我们建筑一下。
Now, please give them a big round of applause and then congratulate them.
我们看到有2位哈，我们的金总和上层的这个字迹出来的有点慢。OK， 好，现在也已经出来了。好，感谢各位，我们再次合影留念。
Now, let's take a photo together and congratulations again.
感谢各位，各位请台下就坐。
Thank you very much, and please be seated.
让我们共同期待捷克与天元、元一、同德、上城、智之、拉波尼、三元、三联以此次签约为新的起点，深入开展全方位、深层次的合作，推进服装企业数字化快反能力的提升。
Let's all look forward to a brighter future for Jack and our partners, starting from this signing.
下面有请中国缝制机械协会理事长杨小金上台致辞。有请我们的工作人员把我们的演讲台搬到舞台中间。
Now, please welcome Mr. Yang Xiaojing, Chairman of the China Sewing Machinery Association, to the stage and deliver the speech. Welcome.
有请杨理事长，大家用掌声一起有请杨理事长。
Now, let's welcome Ms. Yang Xiaojing to give us the speech.
Distinguished guests, dear friends from the media, good afternoon, guys. Right now is a month of beautiful June and the summer breeze is lively. Today, we gather here in Hangzhou to witness the global launch event of Jack AMH2. On this occasion, on behalf of the China Sewing Machinery Association, I would like to extend my warm congratulations on the successful launch of Jack's new product, AMH2. I also wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to all the guests, industry peers, and Jack Company for your long-standing support of the development of China's sewing machinery industry. So after witnessing today's launch event, it's a great event for the technology industry. AMH2 is a user-driven innovation born from real production demands. The launch of AMH2 directly addresses 3 core pain points in the garment industry. the challenge of fast response efficiency, the difficulty in ensuring quality for complex processes, and the production bottlenecks caused by the shortage of skilled workers. So, driven by actual needs, AMH2 brings the concept of small and quick order response into the real-world application, offering government industry a brand new solution and setting a new benchmark for the industry intelligent transformation. AMH2 is also a significant achievement in the industry's digital transformation. In response to the government industry's new demand for small and quick order response and demand-driven production, AMH2 realizes innovative practices through precise R&D and empowers intelligent manufacturing through digital upgrades. And not only represent the company's strong technical research and development capabilities, but also serves as an important symbol of the nation's effort to cultivate new quality productivity, reflecting Jack's commitment to driving industry transformation and upgrading. AMH2 shows how technology innovation works closely with social responsibility. It helps rural workers find jobs and builds a good system where industry supports villages and cities and countryside grow together. AMH2 and the other smart, easy to use and affordable products give a clear example to help the country reach shared wealth. This way, using technology for good and helping people is a great example for the industry to follow and spread. So the global textile and apparel industry is changing rapidly. Customers want more personalized and varied products. Production processes are more complex, delivery times are shorter, and labor costs are rising. Traditional production methods face big challenges. Leading companies like Jack use smart products such as AMH2 to improve efficiency and quality. They also use data to help all parts of the production work better together, creating new smart manufacturing solutions. I hope Jack company use this product launch to encourage the whole industry to work together and innovate. First of all, they want to build a better environment for the industry growth. They focus on understanding customer needs and market changes deeply. They create research and development systems centered on users. They solve key technology problems that block progress and turn scientific discoveries into practical tools to improve efficiency, quality, and reduce labor. Second, focus on the market and build partnerships together. Work with different industries like textiles, cars, aerospace, and new materials to grow faster in high-value areas. Strengthen the home market, the domestic market, and expand the overseas market to build a new balanced growth pattern. Use digital and green technologies to improve all industries, make companies run better, and help all parts of industry work well together, building a new healthy industry system. Third, take responsibility and share the benefits of development. Actively support national strategies like common prosperity, rural revitalization, strong manufacturing, and green industries. Promote the spirit of being pioneers and serving the country through industry, and actively integrate technology empowerment into the country's development plans. Fulfill industry responsibilities by leading as a role model, maintaining market order and fairness, strengthening cooperation between wholesalers, retailers, and manufacturers, and setting an example of win-win collaboration. To be the king in the era of small and quick order response, today's launch event is not only a grand product showcase, but also an important call for the Chinese sewing machinery industry to advance toward high-quality development. Let's join hand in hand and unite with intelligence, sustainability, and union as our guiding principles. Together, we'll write a new chapter in building a modern industrial system for China's sewing machinery industry. Finally, once again, I wish the launch event today a massive success in advance, and wish Jack Company continued brilliance and more powerful momentum for the industry. Thank you all.
感谢杨理事长。
Thank you very much. Thank you for your wonderful speech and it gives us a lot of confidence in the future.
感谢杨理事长。捷克必定会秉持着让服装制造无限可能的理念，提升新质生产力，以科技创新助力全球纺织服装企业转型升级。
Yes, we will try our best to upgrade the technology and the brighter future.
我们把掌声再次送给杨理事长。
Now let's give him a big round of applause for his wonderful speech.
各位朋友们，我们的快跑王2从6月1日进行了接码预定。那大家猜一猜，到目前为止，我们的接码预定已经达到了多少台呢？
You can guess how much? How many?
各位朋友可以猜一下吗？猜对了，我们可以奖励一台快跑王2。
Who guessed the right answer will reward you with one AMH2.
10万。还有没有？截止到目前为止，我们的快跑王2接码预定118436台。
180,436. Congratulations.
当然了，各位，我们的接码预定依然在进行当中，大家可以通过扫码我后面大屏幕上的二维码继续去预定。那预定我们接码可以享受3重福利：第一重，承诺爆品10年不漏油，漏油换新机；第二重，双电质保10年；第三种，赠价值108元的零件大礼包1份，买1台送1份。 那我们的接码预定会持续到我们6月30日的24点为止。我们希望这段时间大家可以踊跃的去订购我们的接码。
Yes, all our overseas friends can go to your agents to place order, and preferential policies will be given to everyone according to the local country.
同时，本次发布会结束以后，我们在全国各地会陆续的开展超过100场的发布会，在每一场发布会上面，我们也会进行对我们的接码进行预定。我们也有请各位可以在现场进行预定。
So we invite you to order on scene.
各位朋友们，未来捷克一定会依托于我们强大的研发和制造实力，继续坚持以客户为中心的理念，推进快反过梗时代服装设备的升级，助力服装产业实现全面高质量发展。
And finally, we would like to thank Chairman Yang and our friends in the apparel industry, online and offline, media friends there, and distributor partners, and friends watching around the world.
最后，我们再次感谢杨理事长，感谢各位服装业的朋友们、媒体朋友们、经销商伙伴们、现场线上正在收看直播的朋友们，感谢大家。
Now, the To Be the King of Crossing AMH2 Global First Launch Ceremony ended successfully.
现在我宣布，快反过梗，谁敢称王？快反王2全球首发盛典圆满收官。各位朋友，我们的晚宴将在6点30分开始，请大家在6点15分来到我们正在开展会议的现场进行晚宴。
Okay, our dinner tonight will be at 18:30, and please be arrived here at 18:15.
接下来是快反王2的品鉴会，我们有更多好玩的内容等着大家去体验。由于现场的人数比较多，请大家安心就座，按照我们的指示有序的退场。
Okay, due to the large number of people present, please exit in order. If your name is called, you are kindly asked to leave and take your belongings. The others are kindly asked to stay in current position and wait a moment.
我们首先有请 VIP 嘉宾起身左转。
我们首先有请 VIP 嘉宾起身左转。各位嘉宾请参照大客户体验区。各位嘉宾请参照大屏动画图示会场。
这结束，我们开始呗。
现在有请刘经理和首席车间老板起身右转，跟随相应的领导员移入至媒体采访区。各位嘉宾请参照大屏动画图示会场。
童宇，你就拦一下人就好了，要不然我怕他摔倒了。你在他身后，我们俩谁倒着走，你就在后边那个。不行，我倒着走，你还不能在我后边。开始。Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. I'm from Jack Technology. Today I take you to experience the lively atmosphere live here. The venue of today's lunch event. Thousands of customers, distributors all over the world here to witness the birth of Jack's AMH2 and M9. I believe everyone has gained a good understanding of our product through the just concluded lunch event. Now, the camera here, this is our domestic experience tool, and I'm completely excited by the electricity atmosphere. Look around, every receiving machine here is surrounded by eager attendees, all closely examining the machine's features and testing its stitching performance. It's incredible to see such past garments. Okay. There were so many people to use our AMH2. The camera follow me. Here.
去看看产品。好，产品都在这。
You can look at the camera. There were so many people here now. First, this is our key account experience tool and group promotion tool. Here, we are welcome garment manufacturers from Vietnam, Brazil, Colombia, India, Bangladesh, and beyond to experience our product finish. We are confident that the AMH2 and M9 will become a global best-sellers product after today's launch event. This area hosts our key points and bulk buyers, including major garment products producers from Vietnam, Brazil, Colombia, and other key markets. With such strong international interest, we propose to take the AMH to global success.
一人一份都是要有推车吧，跟谁差不多。
Hello, now let me take a moment to introduce today's new launch event products, the AMH2 and M9A. Our AMH2 comprises low-stage machines specialized for small and quick orders, and vigorous app draw app dual motor. The backstage ability has been enhanced, resulting in a discrete reach and skip status, and 3 breakage. Now follow me here. There were so many guests after our lunch event. The operation has become smoother. It also has hundreds of styles daily, accommodation varies, and same positions with the need for adjustments, accomplished with a single machine. Kung Fu pressure food made with space station grease. This is the ordering room. Okay, the front. This is the international famous customer apparel sections. Just now, you have witnessed the dynamic fashion show on stage, where the first AMH showcased its versatility through marine, light, and aerial extra ceremonials. Every piece was designed in collaboration with Tsinghua's Academy and Art Design, blending innovation with cutting-edge style. You can see our AMH2 has saved the fabric easily. All the fabric is used to make the clothes just like here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
今天我们在局部有全球首场快打2场的赛，那后续呢，我们也会在全球各地举办快打2场赛，用这样的方式，让更多的用户亲身实际的体验并了解快打2这款产品。
I believe you already personally feel the power of AMH2. And of course, in order to further deepen everyone's impression of AMH2,
next up is our challenge area. As you can see, the area is packed with selected greens. Everyone's eager to test the scale on the loud listed AMH2 and see who comes out every top. Let me quickly explain the challenge rules. Compost fabric consisting of lamb, leather, forest dressing, mass. The material includes neck button pieces, zippers, sequins, macro pants. Finally, product price is 1.65 meters. Participants start receiving from the start position with pressure food on the plate, sieving to the paper area, and form one row of backstation. Repeat this squeeze 3 times in a row.
First is about the challenge material.
No street breaks or skate stage are allowed. Shorter time means each miss runs a backstation at 2 seconds to the time. Each participant has only 2 opportunities. Now follow the camera. Let's become to the competitors. Let's take a closer look at the intense competition. Camera crew, please pan to the challengers. Everyone watch closely as the live battle unfolds. Let's take a closer look at the intense competition.
那么我们最终的力量呢是不能出现断线断针的情况，最终一路是短者胜出。每位参赛者呢有一次试踩的机会，当选手准备好后，自己按下我们左手边有一个红色按钮的计时器作为开始。那结束后一定要再按一下，作为最终用于比赛的一个时间。那实际上针对我们选手的心理素质、手脚的配合都是非常有好处。
You can see every participant start sweeping from the start position, and with fresh balls on the plate, sweep to the zip area and perform one round of backswitch to repeat the squeeze 3 times in a row.
Press the button to start the game, and when you are done, please press the red button again to stop timing.
3.
Good and a good test for our participants. High quality, high cooperation, and speed control.
关于我们的赛制，我们是选手随机抽取号码进行分组，我们一共是3轮比赛。那初赛呢，我们是
Next part, I will give to the Tongyu to introduce to everyone. The camera follow here.
冠亚季殿军，前2轮呢，我们是2-2 PK， 我们最终的4位选手是共用1台机器。
Okay, hello everyone. Is that clear? Okay, great. I'm Tongyu from Jack Technology, and now it's my turn to show you our overseas experience. And follow me. We will step into the room and see the ongoing challenges and some demonstrations. Please focus here. Here is our domestic experience area. We can see it's quite crowded inside, and our customers. It's just give overall. Our domestic customers, they are all attracted by our AMH2. But today our focus is the overseas experience area. So let's go to the next room here. Yeah, the beside one. It's our overseas experience zone. Yeah, please zoom in. And now let's go inside to see the electrifying atmosphere here. Yeah, please give a general view of the situation. And here we can see there are several challenges and demonstrations. The first one we can see is extreme challenge. We have prepared a challenging fabric that combines denim, 4-way stretch, and mesh, stitched through extreme transitions, including zipper heads, cross seams, belt loops, and shank buttons. And here we can see our customers are experiencing the outstanding performance of AMH2 firsthand. It's quite smooth and fluent. The needle, there's a small situation, but it's solved quickly. Okay, let's move on to our second demonstration. Here we are doing a live comparison with a competitor's machine. We can see here, it also combines like thin, thick, and stretch materials. And plus, very tough seam crossing, like zippers, cross seams, as we mentioned before. These are quite common trouble spots in real production. And we can see like AMH2 went through all the obstacles very smoothly, right? But I think our competitors, the machine, currently no one use that. Maybe later someone will use it and we can see the difference between the AMH2 and the competitor ones. Yeah, I think maybe we can move on, okay? Come to the backstage penetrating, I think, because 2 years ago, the original AMH could already penetrate through 110 layers of A4 papers. And today, we are taking it further. We will use the AMH2 to backstage through 110 sheets of papers with like it's equal to 7 coins, the thickness of 7 coins. And we can see our staff, to show AMH2 can penetrate all layers with quite stable fitting. And I think it's the backstage as smoothly as forward sewing. And you can see our customers, they are quite satisfied, and they look quite amazing and surprised by our new product. And let's see how they use it. Yeah, okay. And let's move on to the, I think it's a triple protection motor demo. Please zoom in the 2 sealed box. This demo shows how stable the AMH2 is in extreme conditions. We are running 2 tests. One with, here we can see one with oil directly poured on the motor, and another one in a sealed space full of lint. Even under these harsh conditions, the machine runs quite smoothly. So it proves that it's perfect for tough factory environments like down jacket filling rooms. Okay, I think now we can go to the next challenge. Yeah, please follow me to see our M9 Tai Chi challenge, and it's quite crowded here. You can see our customers are quite interested in this fresh and sophisticated experiment. This is one of the toughest sewing tests in the whole industry, because sewing without any fabric underneath. And the M9A will run at 3,000 stitches per minute for 12 minutes straight. And it stitched a Tai Chi pattern with over 30,000 stitches on a fully hollow template. We can see it's totally empty, right? You may wonder why we choose the Tai Chi design, because it contains both curves and sharp corners. These are 2 key indicators of sewing accuracy, because the perfect curve must be smooth and the sharp angle must be crisp. Yeah, we can see the pattern is quite perfect, and I think the needle is clean and clear. I think now I would like to interview some of our international clients or customers who just had a hands-on experiment. Yeah, please follow me. Yeah. Excuse me. I'm doing a quick interview. So I saw you just experienced some of our demonstrations. May I ask you very short questions? Yeah. First, could you tell us?
I don't speak it.
Don't speak English, right? Sorry. Okay, it's fine. But I think.
Speak Portuguese.
Oh, Portuguese. Okay, okay, it's fine. Yeah. So please enjoy your witnessing. Yeah. Okay, maybe we could see some of them. Mm-hmm. Let's try who just, but I have they just tried our. Excuse me, sorry for interruption. Have you tried our demonstrations? Okay, great. May I ask you where are you from?
We're from Brazil.
Brazil, good, great. Yeah, so glad to have you here.
Thank
And how was your experience? Like, how was your impressions?
We're impressed with everything that we saw today. I think it's nice new kind of machine. It's a big technology, and we're improving.
Yeah, thank you. Because I think
we keep improving.
They have many interesting experiments to show like how efficiency or And what kind of garments do your factory mainly produce?
Look, I work for a company called Ciaering in Brazil. We have more than 1,000 retail points. And we work with all kind of fabrics. All kind of fabrics.
Quite diverse, right?
And big diversity of fabrics. And we have partners. They sew everything for us. So we keep in touch with them, and we're going to show them the new technology and make the contact between Jack and all our partners just to show the advance of this kind of machines.
Yeah, that's what exactly we want to listen to. And so based on today's experience, do you think like our latest product can help you improve your work?
Sure, for sure.
Like in which aspects or like?
I think that we can be faster in our production line. Like they said, we are producing small quantities of big fabrics, and I think that in costs this is the most important point. We need to reduce costs, and this machine maybe I think that it's prepared for this achievement.
Okay, so I'm so glad you are satisfied with like today's the events. So thank you for your feedback.
Thank you.
I wish your business even great success with our products.
Thank you for your time.
Okay,
Thank you.
Have a nice day. Bye. Okay, it seems like our customer is quite satisfied with the demonstration and our challenge. Maybe we should look for another customer. Excuse me, may I interrupt you? Could you speak English?
No.
Okay, it's fine. Please enjoy. Yes, but you can translate or. I can translate. I know. Okay, so which country do they come from, please?
Chile.
Chile. From Chile. Okay, welcome. Glad to have you here.
Bienvenidos.
And have you ever tried one of the demonstration or how was your expression?
¿Ha probado la máquina?
Sí.
Sí.
Like,
he has tried.
Okay, how did he feel like the
¿Cómo le piensa esta máquina?
Bien, encuentro que anda muy bien. La puntada bien, hace presa tela bien, larga, arrastra bien, es suave, y tiene muy larga puntada y es suave. Cae presa tela suave, avanza sin problema, pasa los gruesos sin problema y baja los livianos sin problema, o sea, trabaja bien. Muy bien.
The machine is good. The 那个线迹，我忘记用英语怎么说。The stitch is good and it's very soft and the sound of and the 哎呀，我英语已经不太行了。
You can say
Chinese
and
啊，然后它的那个稻粉的那个线迹也很不错。
also amazing, yeah.
And the breast foot lifting is also very good.
Okay, yeah. I'm glad to hear that. And could I ask what kind of clothes do their factory mainly produce?
She is a dealer. He is the dealer.
The dealer. Okay. And would he introduce his clients to with our new products?
¿Usted va a introducir a sus clientes esta máquina?
Sí, por supuesto, anda muy bien.
Sí, of
Se
course.
va a vender mucho.
Sí.
Se va a vender mucho porque se nota la diferencia.
In Chile, we also sell the many this machine because the quality is good and it has difference between with other brands.
Okay, so wish you and your cooperators even success with our products. Yeah.
Deseo como un buen deseo a usted, como deseo que deseamos que usted pueda lograr un gran éxito en Chile.
Bueno para todos.
Thank you for your feedback. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for your time. Yeah. Okay. So, let's find the next the customer. Okay. Yeah. Take your time. Yeah. Maybe we should find the. Would you like to? Yeah. Okay, thank you. First, could you tell us your which country you come from?
I'm Atul Kumar Pandey from India.
From India.
Yeah, from India. Yes.
Great.
Yes.
Yeah, glad to have you here.
Yeah, I visited in this launch event, AMH second generation launch event. I saw the machine. The machine response was good.
Okay.
As I checked, the machine response was actually good.
So you are quite satisfied with
Yeah.
our
Yes.
new product?
Yes.
Which aspect, from it's the price or the efficiency?
No. For efficiency, it's productivity. Definitely, will get more productivity.
Yes.
All the customers will get. Yeah.
I think it's quite good quality.
Quite good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Quite good, yeah.
I totally agree. And may I ask what kind of clothes do your factory produce? Shirt manufacturing. Okay, great. So do you think the new products can help you to?
Yeah, definitely. With the new product can increase our production efficiency. Suppose we are stitching 5,000 pieces, then we'll get 5,500 pieces more than that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Yeah, glad to hear that.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Okay, and I wish your business.
And I would like to thanks to Jack for the new technology, these kinds of machines. Yeah.
Great. Yeah. That's what we are looking forward to.
Yes.
Yeah. I wish your business even more greater with our new product.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for feedback. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay, please follow my. Which? Hi, may I take your time to just ask a few questions about?
我来讲普语可以啊。
OK，OK，那我跟您说中文吗？
可以的。
OK，那首先那是来自葡萄牙吗？还是请问？
Isso.
Meu nome é Simone e eu sou do Brasil, do Rio Grande do Sul.
Você veio do Brasil.
Sim.
Então, continuar. 我们可以继续问。
OK。
他是来自于巴西的。
So this customer is from Brazil, and 请问一下，那个他有没有试哪个实验？然后他的感觉如何？体验如何？
E no evento de hoje, você já experimentou algumas das nossas máquinas de hoje?
Sim, nós temos uma confecção no Rio Grande do Sul e já usamos várias máquinas da Jack, de costura, de infesto também. E o evento de hoje nos traz uma esperança, porque hoje eu acho que uma das preocupações maiores das confecções é a mão de obra. Então essa preocupação que a Jack está tendo em inovação e desenvolvimento para suas máquinas é o que vai salvar, acho que a mão de obra do mundo. Então estou muito feliz de estar aqui hoje e saber que tem pessoas, né, tão empenhadas a desenvolver aquilo que hoje é uma preocupação muito grande.
英语还是普语？英语还是中文？
英语，或者您要是也可以由我来翻。
可以，好的，他就是今天说，他觉得我们尝试过我们的快反王2，他觉得他是有怎么说呢？有说了一个很大的问题，就是因为在巴西那边可能很难找到那种员工，就是有技术的员工，所以他就觉得有这种机器就不需要找那种很高技术的员工，所以就对一容易上去就可以操作，所以他就觉得很好。
Okay, yeah, that's a new perspective. 我稍微翻译一下。Yeah, this client from Brazil give us a quite new perspective because she said in Brazil it's hard to find like the workers or laborers who has quite like solid ability or it's quite advanced ability to sewing, so our products can solve this problem or issues very efficiently, because even you have no background knowledge, you can also use our product very quickly, so it's easy to adapt even for very freshman, and 大概就是这样的。大概就是这样。Okay, yeah. So appreciate for your feedback and thank you so much.
Obrigado pelo seu tempo.
Obrigada a você e parabéns pelo evento.
Obrigada. 好，谢谢。Okay. Okay, so please just give a round. Yeah. Okay, after some short interviews, I think like the clients or customers from all over the world, they are quite impressed by our new products and this kind of diverse challenges. And I think after today's events, there will be more opportunities and cooperative chances between Jack and our customers. And I truly wish our customers and like someone like in front of our like the screen with the help of our AMH2 and other new products, your business will even like more efficiency, high efficiency with the help of our products. Thank you so much for your watching and see you next time. Yeah.
听到吗？